Hey learners, back again with another video. Today we'll talk about atomic number and mass number. What is atomic number and what is mass number? We'll tell about this today. We know atom. First we should know about the atom. What atom is made up of? Atom is made up of electrons, protons and neutrons. Okay, electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Atom has one nucleus and there is a circular orbit in which electrons are revolving. This is the structure of atom. Nucleus carries proton and neutron, and here we have electrons. This is a representation of atom. But how we can say that with the help of number of protons and number of neutrons we can determine the atomic number and mass number? Let's see. In nucleus there is proton and neutron and electrons are revolving in this orbit. Atom carries positive as well as negative charge. The positive charge is due to proton and negative charge is due to electron. Number of protons present in nucleus is equal to atomic number of element. Any element. And number of protons, they are also equal to number of electrons. Here we are saying atom carries positive charge due to proton and negative charge due to electron. That means positive is carried by proton and neutron. They must be in same numbers to maintain the neutrality. Positive and negative charge equally present in atom. So number of protons is equal to atomic number of element. That is also equal to number of electrons. Suppose we are having here sodium. Sodium carries number of electron 11. That means it will be its atomic number. And if the question will be there, tell me about the number of protons in sodium, that will be 11. Because number of protons are equal to number of electrons. So proton equal to 11 and number of electron equal to 11. Okay. Mass of atom is due to protons and neutrons. Here we are saying protons and neutrons, they are present in nucleus. So we call it nucleons. Okay, so we can say mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. See the difference? Number of protons, only protons are equal to atomic number, and if proton and neutron they are combined together, that will result in the mass number. Okay, let's take a question here. Calculate the number of protons and neutrons in bromine isotope, that is 3580. This is atomic number here, this is mass number here. Here we have to calculate protons and neutrons. We know the atomic number and mass number. See, this is your atomic number. Atomic number of bromine is 35. That means we know the number of protons, which is equal to 35. So number of protons will be equal to 35. Secondly, we have to calculate. So here we have got our number of protons, which is asked. Okay, they are asking protons. Second one is neutrons. Second, we know the formula, mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. We know the mass number from the question and the number of protons we have calculated. We can calculate the number of neutrons. So mass number is here 80. Number of proton is 35 plus number of neutrons we have to calculate. So after the calculation, 80 minus 35, that will be equal to 45. So this is your answer. Here we have got number of neutrons as well as protons as asked in the question. Okay. So any question related to this, you have to calculate the protons and neutrons. If they will ask what are the number of electrons, you can also answer that. Number of protons, they are also equal to number of electrons. So there will be 35. Okay. Here we are having another problem. The number of electrons, protons and neutrons in a species are equal to 18, 16 and 16 respectively. They have given number of electrons, number of protons and number of neutrons. So we are having electrons equal to 18, protons equal to 16 and number of neutrons is equal to 16. We have to determine the proper symbol. What will be the element here? So let's see. We know atomic number is equal to number of protons. Here we are having number of protons 16. So atomic number of symbol will be 16. 16 is of sulfur. So here we have got our element, that is sulfur. Okay. Now they have given number of neutrons also. We know number of protons plus number of neutrons are equal to mass number. So mass number is equal to protons plus neutrons. So it will be 16 plus 16. That means 32 will be mass number. So our symbol will be sulfur. Here we are writing our mass number and here is our atomic number. But can you see the difference here? That number of protons and electrons are varying here. They are not equal. We have said that number of protons are equal to number of neutrons. Fine. So here we are getting a difference between the two. That means it carries some charge. Number of electrons are 18 and number of protons are 16. So what is the difference here? That is 2. There are 2 more electrons. So we are having a charge here, 2 negative. That has sulfur has gained 2 electron. That's why it has gained 2 negative charge. Negative means gain of electron. Whenever there is a charge of 2 negative, 1 negative or single negative only, that means there is a gain of electron. When there is a plus charge, that means there will be loss of electron. So here the symbol will be 32 sulfur 16 with charge 2 negative. Okay. Okay. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.